Are here pre-game Manning Cup versus the Costa Cup All-Star game. First of all, are you happy that this game is back, coach?
Most definitely, I think it's something that needs to be a part of the calendar. It has been missing for a while now. The people have asked for it, and ISA have rightfully listened, and it's back. So we're happy for that.
And how does it feel to have been charged with the responsibility of commanding what is the most talented team under 20 in the whole country right now at this point, safe to say?
It's a privilege. These youngsters, though, it's all about them. It's not about me or any other coaches. They would have worked all season for this. So I think rightfully this is their moment, and I just want them to go out there and enjoy it.
All season long, I know you'd have been planning and anticipating an encounter with Davion Whisper Richards. Now he's finally on your side. How are you planning to use him in today's game?
It's always good to have the best players on your team. I had nightmares preparing for him when I was playing against KC. So I hope the All Costa Cup have the same today. But he's a tremendous player, somebody that we want to enjoy. In terms of how we'll use him, I guess you'll see based on how the game goes.
Coach, is this a game that you will take seriously and want to win, or is it a game that you're just sending the boys out there to enjoy the moment and as a congratulations per se?
But first and foremost, we want to win. It's a competition, but we want to first and foremost also ensure that the youngsters are having fun. This is why we play the game, and we expect them to have fun. We had a session last night and we really hammer it home in their heads that we want them to have fun, we want them to go out there and really express themselves.
And coach, I wanted to break the news before. Who will wear the captain armband in tonight's game?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
We'll select it when we go in the changing room now.
Alright coach, good luck today.
Yeah.